Whoa, what the fuck? There's a lot of noises coming from outside. What the hell? What's up, guys? It's me, Dream Assassin 253. Holy shit. The fuck's going on? What the fuck? Anyways, guys, what's up, guys? It's me, Dream Assassin 2539. Today I'm back. Today I'm going to solve the Rubik's Cube. Now, this is not really a hard task. Just gotta remember lots of things, and you'll eventually solve it. So, first, we're gonna mix this up. We're gonna mix it all up, and I'm gonna solve it. So, starting, look at it. Alright, starting now. This might take forever. I don't know. Takes time. Oops. Oh. I'm also gonna add no cutting, so you guys can see everything I do. It's like I don't want you guys to think I'm cheating or something. You know, it's like that's the worst thing ever. Okay. Almost there. Almost got it. There we go. Almost got it. There we go. Okay. There we go. Solve that. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna do this. There we go. There we go. Solved. Yeah. So I'm not feeling good, guys, but yeah, it's solved. There you go. So anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.